Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to present you the new smartwatch from Hesvit. This one here is available in black and in white. And if you order it from efoxshop.com, you will receive it in this box here. That look like this. And this box includes one handbook to introduce you the product and how to use it. It is also in English, this quick start guide. This smartwatch from Hesvit, as you can see, is very flexible here to the left and right. And here on the back side you have all kind of sensors. So the special thing about this smartwatch is you got a lot of information on just one display here, and there's only one button you can press, which is this one here, the heart button. The display is mainly divided into 4 parts. First part here shows the time, and this part here is the workout parameters. This part here is about the physical signs, and last it is the environment parameters. Later I will introduce you all these in detail. So it is also possible to synchronize this smartwatch with your mobile phone. For this, you can use your mobile phone and scan this QR code here. To do this, you need a mobile phone at least with Android 4.4 or above. If not, then it's not possible to download this and use this app. After you use this app here, after you download that app and synchronize it with your smartphone, it will look like this here. And if you check this here now, you can see the numbers is approximately the same. So if you've done a good workout, for example, and you want to share this information, for example, how many calories you burned or how many steps you have done, you just put here, share, and you can share it to WeChat or something else you like. Okay, now I'm going to give you some explanations about the details of these numbers here. So we will start with this one here, which shows the time. The time of Hesvit can be set manually. Press and hold the button of this here for about 10 seconds, as I do now, and then the hour will flashes. As you can see here, the numbers here are flashing now. This is for the hours, and then you can set it as you will. And then you will press it for another 10 seconds, and it will jump for the minutes. "10 seconds could be so long, right? Okay, now you can see it flashing on the minutes, and there you also can set it as you will. And if you're done, then press it for another 10 seconds. This is how you can set your time. Now we come to the second part. The second part here, the first number shows you the steps. Step means the steps counted during walking and running. And when your steps reach an integral multiple of 10,000, the screen will flash 10 seconds to congratulate you on achieving the health requirement. Another number is this mileage here. Mileage means the distance you walk or run the day. Mileage is calculated according to the walking and running steps. Mileage is related to individual height. It may differ a little bit from the actual mileage. Exercises burned, and this one here indicates the calories. Exercises burned calories only means the calories burned during exercises, not including basal metabolism. Person daily burned calories contain exercises, burned calories and basal metabolism. Exercises burned calories are calculated according to the linear relationship between speed and calories. The speed is obtained via the calculated steps and mileage. The more calories burned, it shows the more exercises you have done. It is a sign of good health. And this one here indicates sleep time. Sleep time means the sleep hours. Sleep contains deep sleep, light sleep, and awake moments. Calculated sleep time means the display sleep hours. It may delay 20 to 30 minutes, which is normal. Okay. Now we come to another part here, the physical signs. So this one here on the left side is indicating the heart rate. Heart rate refers to the number of heartbeats per minute. Normally it ranges from 60 to 100 heartbeats per minute, which varies by age, gender, diet, emotion, or other physiological factors and external conditions. In general, the younger has a higher heart rate, the elderly has a lower heart rate, and female has a higher heart rate than their male counterparts. The normal adult heart rate is 60 to 100. Ideal heart rate is 55 to 70. Athletes tend to have lower heart rates than usually 50. And now I will show you how this heart rate works. For this, you just put it on your wrist. And then put this button here for almost 10 seconds. 1, 2, and then this here will flashing. And when it is flashing, it will calculate your heartbeat. So now we need to wait for the result, and it shows 77. I'm not sure if this is true, but it could be, because I am pretty excited. Okay, now we come to another indicator. This is wrist skin temperature here, which means the temperature on wrist skin. Body temperature varies on different parts of the body and from person to person, and even at different times of the day. Temperature varies on different parts of the body, as I mentioned. Heat temperature is generally higher than food temperature. Take forearm, for example. Normally forearm temperature is 1 degree lower than axillary temperature. Body temperature can thus be inferred. It is found in a comfortable environment. The average skin temperature is 33.8 degree with a mean deviation of 0.6 degree. To maintain a comfortable average skin temperature, it is important condition to ensure human. Okay, now we come to the last part. The last part here is for the environment parameters. So this one on the left side here with 58 is indicating the wrist humidity. Wrist humidity means the humidity of the air between wrist and wristband. It is different from environment humidity, and it is affected by both wrist skin humidity and environment humidity. Wrist humidity is obtained according to the change of the electrical signal, which is converted from the amount of humidity by the temperature and humidity sensor. When wrist humidity becomes extremely high, for example 80% to 95%, it indicates the user is sweating. When wrist humidity is too low, the skin becomes dry, rough, peeling, and which indicates the water content of the cuticle is dropping. So on this one here, on the right side with 27 means wrist temperature. Wrist temperature means the temperature of the air between wrist and heavy-span. It is different from heavy-span. It is different from environment temperature and is affected by both wrist skin and environment temperature. When the difference between skin temperature and wrist temperature exceeds 4 degrees, the screen will flash for 10 seconds to remind the users to keep warm in cold days. The most comfortable environment temperature in summer range 23 to 28 degrees and in winter 18 to 25 degrees. When environment and temperature is above the upper limit of the comfortable temperature, people feel so warm. When it's above 37 degrees, people feel too hot. Usually the maximum temperature humans can withstand is 52 degrees. On the contrary, when environment temperature is lower limit of the comfortable temperature, people feel cold and cold. When it's under 0 degree, people feel freezing. So now last but not least here, this one, barometric pressure, is the air pressure per unit area. It is equal to the weight of the vertical air column extended upward to the aeropause above the unit area. Altitude is the vertical distance of a location above sea level. Most comfortable barometric pressure is 1 bar, that is 1013 mbar. On the airplane, the cabin is pressurized, so which the barometric pressure is a range of 700 to 900 mbar. People feel comfortable. So to conclude it now, I think the unique selling point of this smartwatch here is that you got a lot of information on just one display. So you don't need to change the display, and it's also not possible to change here the display. Another advantage is because of that, and it is just black-white, you need to change. You need to charge it only for about 2 hours, 90 minutes to 2 hours, and you can use it then almost for 1 week without a new charge. That is very good for a smartwatch. So, and to charge this here, you can pull up this here on the side and use the USB cable.